over there is the train station where I'm just coming out from. Got some cash, and now let's go check out the train station, or the metro station rather. Well, if you know, the infamous Soviet Union was made up of 15 countries or 15 republics at the time, between 1922, December 1922 to 1991, for 69 years. So the unification of 15 republics, and this country, Ukraine, was part of them, if not the second most important country after Russia. Then it happens that around 1980, the metro station, which I'm going to go check out right now, was being planned, but it crumbled, or Soviet Union crumbled in 1991, so all the plans stopped. And it happened that only one way was built for this metro station, and makes it the shortest metro station on earth. I want to go check it out before it eventually gets decommissioned, or maybe reconstructed to a bigger one. Here we are. Doesn't look busy to me. Doesn't look like anyone comes here. You would expect a metro station to be bustling with people going in and out, but over here the difference is the case. I mean, the reverse is the case. I wonder how many people use this metro station. I was reading that the usage of this metro station has declined over years, because of course it only goes one way. It doesn't go to destinations where people would have wished they wanted to go. It just goes one way. So if you stop going your way, then it's not yours. I don't have the ticket yet, so probably go purchase some ticket and find my way in one. Let's go. I think the ticket is over there. Let's go speak some Russian. Здрасте. А сколько стоит билет на метро? 8 гривен. She didn't want to talk to me. Perhaps thinks I don't speak Russian. Got my token in. Let's go check out the metro that runs only one way. Here we are. It's a bit cooler in here in terms of temperature, but I want to tell you something. Among the 15 Soviet republics that made up or formed the Soviet Union between 1922 and 1991, this metro station was the 15th ever to be built. But when Soviet Union crumbled in 1991, they couldn't control, or they couldn't complete the project. It was eventually commissioned and opened 4 years later in 1995. Let's go check it out. Let's see what inside looks like. Ooh. It looks like metro. Doesn't look any strange to me at all. Как называется последняя остановка? Покровская. I want to show you something before I leave the metro. This is a Soviet intercom system. Should in case you have emergency inside this metro, Nashimite means press. So when you press, you can talk to the driver or whoever controls it. And Off we go. As I mentioned earlier, this metro station has only 6 stops. That makes it the shortest running metro on earth. Only 6 stops. It's gonna go make a U-turn and come pick people who are going the other way around. Very quiet, very deserted. I was reading the usage of this metro station is declining due to unavailability. It goes only one way. If you're going that way, this metro station is not for you. And you can imagine the plan was to make it 4-way, but Soviet Union crumbled in 1991. Building and maintenance of this metro station at that time stopped. They had to force open it in 1995. And that was it. But I can tell you inside is very clean. It's way better than the one you saw in Bulgaria. Now I'm off to a new quest to discover the 20 euro hotel in Dnepro, Hotel Dnepro, which appears or happens to be the cheapest hotel I have ever been to, at least at this time. If you're traveling on a budget, that might be for you, but inside is quite Soviet, so you might not like it, you might like it, but for me, I'm all for adventure, so let's go check it out.